their vision for children to build positive, lifelong memories, achieve their greatest potential, and inspire future generations. The Boys and Girls Club in Irvine is striving to do just that.
My friends do come here, so that's kind of a fun thing. And the staff are nice, and also we do like fun activities.
Maybe I'll make a new friend today. And like, what are we gonna do in gym? kind of like school a little bit.
They're like parents kind of, but here. They're just amazing.
Really, the ultimate goal is to provide an experience for our members where we're building lifelong learners who can go out into the community and explore their passions and make discoveries and be innovative and contribute back to the community.
And they're able to provide a better space for learning.
We invested $2.25 million. It was all through private funding. So we had a lot of community stakeholders and supporters that really banded together, particularly in the Irvine community, to really invest back into this space.
Walls expanded, new modular furniture brought in for better learning.
They will go through academic reinforcement, so homework help. They will go through an enrichment rotation, so that could be robotics, anything that has to do with STEM.
And also when I'm done with homework, I get to draw. And there's also gym and STEAM. I'm more of a STEAM guy.
This makerspace is not your traditional wood shop, but it's more of a 21st century hands-on space that features STEAM activities, and it has tools to help kids with their skills like 3D printers and robotics like we're seeing today.
So the purpose of the Sphero is really to teach that coding element, to have kids get their hands on a robot and essentially learn how the concept of coding rolls out in a real life execution.
And looking to his future career?
Maybe a video game designer. Since there is some video game headquarters here in Irvine, I'm thinking of being a video game designer or a scientist, either one of those.
Then the rest of their day may consist of art, sports, and games. From floor to ceiling, unique to Irvine is their rock climbing wall. There is also a teen center providing a space to relax, play games, and work on projects. In addition, it's equipped with a kitchen to help teach life skills.
We want to use that as a space for them to learn how to cook, how to eat healthy. We will be bringing in chefs to really demonstrate kind of examples of what it is that they could be doing at home, how to make easy meals, prepare for college.
9th through 12th graders are welcome to use the Teen Center. They also offer counseling and workshops for the students. You can visit their website for more information. For Irvine Scene, I'm Jacqueline Twegg.